Introduction of geometry. First line. A line is a imaginary figure which have no end point. This is a symbol of line. Line is a imaginary figure which have no end point. So suppose this is a line, this arrow and this arrow, these are shows that they are endless. The symbol, suppose this is a line, suppose this is point A and this is point B, then the symbol of line is AB, arrow. Second, ray. Ray is also imaginary figure which have one end point. This is symbol of ray. This is A. Suppose this is sun, then sun have many rays which have end point with sun and endless. This is endless. So this is ray. Once again, ray is also a imaginary figure which have no end point. Write down angle. 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 If two rays have common end points, then the figure is called an angle. An angle. Suppose this is a ray, this is a ray AB, and this is also a ray, this is AC. Then this figure is called angle. This point is called vertex, and this ray is called sides. This ray is called side, and this ray is also called side. Then angle have one vertex, and two sides. Vertex in this angle, vertex A, sides AC and AB. Sides AC and AB. It is clear all of you? This is angle once again. If two rays have common end point, then the figure is called angle. This is the figure of angle. This point is common end point. This point is called vertex, and AC and AB. This is AB. AC and AB are sides of this angle. Okay. Write down types of angles. Types of angles. Types of an angle. First angle, acute angle. Acute angle an angle measure an angle measure greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. This angle, suppose this is angle PQR. The angle PQR is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Then angle PQR is a acute angle. This is acute angle. It is clear? Acute angle, an angle measure greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. This is acute angle. Write down. Second, right angle. Right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Draw the figure of right angle. This angle, this is A, B, C. This is exactly 90 degree. Then it is called right angle. This is right angle. Once again, right angle, an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. This angle is right angle, measure 90 degree. Write down third, obtuse angle. Third is obtuse angle. This is third. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Suppose this angle suppose angle PQR. This angle is, this measure is, suppose this is 120 degree angle. then this is obtuse angle. Once again, obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Suppose this angle is PQR, measure 120 degree, then this is obtuse angle. It is clear all of you? This is obtuse angle. Next, fourth is straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle, an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree. Exactly 180 degree. 180 degree is called straight angle. Draw the figure of straight angle. Suppose A, O and B. This angle is called, this angle measure 180 degree, then this is a straight angle. Once again, straight angle, an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. This is figure of straight angle. This is straight line. This angle shows straight line. Then this is exactly 180 degree. Then it is a straight angle. Next, straight angle. Next, reflex angle. Next, reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Is called reflex angle. Draw the figure of reflex angle. Suppose this is angle ABC and this angle is called reflex angle. This angle is called reflex angle and this angle is acute angle. This is acute angle. Acute angle and this angle is called reflex angle. Reflex angle. This angle is called reflex angle. Measure of this angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. This is reflex angle. It is clear all of you? This is reflex angle. Next, reflex angle. After that, last angle is whole angle, whole angle. Whole angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 360 degree is called whole angle. Whole angle is called whole angle. Draw the figure of whole angle. This is a ray. This is a ray AB, and this angle is exactly 360 degree. This is 360 degree. This is called whole angle. This is called whole angle. Whole angle means an angle whose measure is exactly 360 degree is called whole angle. This is whole angle. It is clear, all of you? Okay. Suppose angle, concept of angle. Suppose this is a ray. This is a ray OA. This is a ray OA. This is free from move corresponding to this point O. O is a fixed point. Then this is move. Then this point and this point and move this direction and this direction and so on. Then suppose this is initial position of the ray. This angle is acute angle. This is acute angle, and this angle is 90 degree angle. This is 0 degree angle. This is right. This is 90 degree angle. This angle is called right angle. Right angle. And this angle is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, and this angle is called this angle is called straight angle. This is a straight angle, and this angle is called reflex angle. Reflex angle, and this whole angle is called whole angle. This is called whole angle. This is whole angle. Once again, an angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree. An angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. And angle, right angle, this is 90 degree. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree, then this is called right angle. It is clear, all of you? Okay. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then this is obtuse angle. It is clear? An angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree, this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 180 degree, and this is 270 degree. an angle whose straight angle, an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree, this is straight angle. Next angle is reflex angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, this is reflex angle. And next angle is whole angle, an angle whose measure is exactly 360 degree, this is called whole angle. It is clear all of you? This is the story of angle.